What's up you guys? Hi, how are you? So today I have been asked about this recipe most of the time, and the recipe is the lemon salmon. So this is the lemon, this is the salmon. These are the top secret ingredients. I'm gonna be using this and we're gonna prepare this salmon. We will be baking this salmon in just under 20 minutes. So anyone, if you are by yourself at home, you can make this recipe. So let's get straight into the recipe. The first thing, we will take a foil and we'll put a foil here. And this is the salmon. This is the Atlantic salmon. I'm using salmon with the skin. You can use the salmon without the skin. It's good. It's 2 pieces. It's like for $11. So this is a budget recipe. So first thing, we will take out our salmon. As you can see, normally you don't need to wash the salmon. So you can just cut and take it out right from the packaging. So as you guys can see, this is the salmon. Here it goes, piece number 1. And this will be the seafood smell. It's always different. This is the piece number 2. So the first thing is first, wipe down into your hand, sprinkle some garlic powder right on top. I would say ½ tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay. The second thing is salt. So we will take the salt and we will put ½ tablespoon of salt right on top of the salmon. Okay. This is the main ingredient right there. This is called black seed. And we will sprinkle some black seed right on top of the salmon. Now we will take a red chili powder and we will be putting red chili sprinkle right on top of the salmon. ½ tablespoon. Okay. Let's move to the next part. So move your salmon on the side. We will take a whole lemon and we will be needing just 2 slices of it. So we will put this back and we will take these 2 pieces. We will slice them from the middle and we will place it right on top of our salmon. Very easy. And same thing on the other one. Just like that. Very simple. We will take the jalapeno. I mean, if you guys don't want to make it super spicy, skip the jalapenos. But I would suggest add the jalapenos. It gives nice flavor to it. Add some jalapenos right in the middle. Here you go. Okay, so as you guys can see, the seasoning is done. Flavors are all set. So we will start making this as a tray. Done. We will need some more foil. We will cover it from the top, just like that. As you guys can see, it has a special cover. This is like a oven for the salmon. I forgot to tell you guys, you have to preheat your oven at 400 degrees. So my oven is ready, it's preheated at 400 degrees. And the easiest part now is we just take this whole thing and we will put it in an oven and we will check back this thing after 20 minutes. I mean, stay tuned until it's done. I should have used the gloves, but it's hot. Okay, time for the truth. Oh my God, check the steam. Wow. Very easy, simple, delicious. Oh, the aroma. The aroma. Oh yeah. The lemon, the pepper, the black seed, the salt and the pepper. Oh wow. Yum. So let me dish this out. So I sprinkled a little bit juice on the dish. But that's okay. Men really don't care about that, right? We spread the juice all over usually. So this is the salmon. Let's check it here. So lemon, it's cooked. Let's break it down the salmon right here and check it out, guys. This is juicy. This is delicious. Oh wow. Yum. It's gonna be hot. I'm not taking the bite right now. Let it settle a little bit. How about let me prepare a little bit good looking dish, as you're like having a dinner at a 5-star restaurant. So I have here some kale salad. So I'll take some kale salad. I'll put this right there. This kale salad kit has some nuts. Oh my god, check, it's still steaming. So here are our nuts. I'll sprinkle some nuts right on top. I actually like balsamic dressing as well. It has the vinegar and it has its own flavor. So here you go with the ranch. I'll sprinkle some ranch, just like that. Okay. And here is our salmon. Okay, I need a knife to take this out. So here's the knife. Okay, so it's sitting right there. As you guys can see, I'm giving a bed of knife to my salmon. So here you go. You can just land it here. Thank you so much. Perfectly done. I'll take some peppers, the jalapeno. I'll put some peppers right here. And let's move the lemon on the side. The lemon, the main part was to give the flavor to the salmon. You don't need knives for this recipe. You just need a fork. Here you go. So fork. Wow. Check this. Check this from the inside. Oh wow. And this is my first bite, premium bite. All the hard work is paid off. Do try this recipe, guys, just right now. If you're looking for the recipes and all that, do try this easy salmon recipe. So this is the closer look. Homemade, freshly cooked, perfectly done, delicious. Alright guys, so it's perfectly done. As you guys asked about the recipe, here's the recipe. Share this video, like this video, and subscribe for the upcoming videos. I mean, if you subscribe, you're gonna know when I'm posting the new videos, new recipes. Until then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you very soon with another one. Oh my god, my premium bite. It's getting cold, so I have to try. Oh, with the salad. It's very good combination. Kale salad and a baked salmon. Wow, do try this.